Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today I am showing you an application that will help you to make any picture reduce picture size. This app can be downloaded from Play Store. Photo and picture resizer. So I come here and choose a photo. You can choose photos from your gallery or you can take a new photo. I come and select a photo from gallery. I choose this photo to reduce its width or reduce its size. You see the crop, you can crop this up when you need to crop or resize your photo from large to small or from small to large. You can add here your by your custom or you can choose from the available sizes in the app. You see here are different size available for reducing your picture size or for resizing your photo, and you can also add your custom size for your picture. This is a good application to use for resizing your photo that you need for passport license or for any education resume that different size of photo you need. Here I add 400 600 width and height for the picture, and also this is a quicker way to reduce your photo size. You are not needful for computer PC or for someone to reduce your photo size for you. Here you see the photo was large and we reduce its size to a smaller. Here come to crop and crop the picture, and then you have to replace the picture. It will be replaced by the place of the old picture. Yes, replace. And now we come to check the photo that is it height or detail has changed or not. That this is your picture, and we check the details of this photo. That what is the detail of this photo. Here you see the details are reduced. The picture is being reduced. It is 400 600 size. So it's done. Thanks for watching.